Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. And today I'm not going to work on any vehicle. I just wanted to show you my new car that I bought recently. This car will create a lot of content for you guys to watch and enjoy. Also will keep me busy for a while. I'm very excited. Some of you probably recognize the inside of the car that I'm sitting. This is the new car. So without further ado, let's show you the car. Yes, it's a Fiat 500 1.2 launch. Let me show you the damage. I bought the car on the salvage market. I need to buy new tire, new wing. Need to straight this as well. New door, as you can see. And I think I need to do a little bit pulling here, the A pillar. Also the suspension. So yeah, we need to pull a little bit the pillar here so the door can match, so we can do the gap here. As you can see, the door needs to go forwards a bit. It doesn't close fully. As I said, this is a 1.2 launch model. I don't know what that means, but it has a nice interior. Got the panoramic roof, the big Android, I don't know how we call this, Android Navi thing. As you can see, it's turning on. The car is on 39,000 miles. It comes with the service history. The books are here. As you can see, it's working. It looks very nice. I'm very happy. It looks very nice. Let me show you the back. I got the headlight here, but it's broken here, as you can see. It has a crack here. I don't know if I can glue this or buy a new one. Also, all the ears are missing. All of them are broken. This one, this is the lower headlight. It's broken, as you can see. We need to order a new one. So yeah guys, this is my new car. If you want to follow the journey rebuilding this car and bringing it back to the road, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to do a full stripping video and making a list of what parts we're going to need to rebuild this car. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.